Hi, all of my sweet makers. I miss you all so much. So today, because it's supposed to rain, our challenge, we're gonna get back in the kitchen and we are going to make Play-Doh. Sorry, Mom and Dad, we're gonna get a little messy today. So today we are making homemade Play-Doh. I have all of our ingredients ready. What you will need is you will need 1 cup of flour. You will need 1/3 cup of salt. I know that's a lot of salt. A food coloring of your choice, 1/4 cup of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And that is it. So I'm gonna show you how to mix everything together. So we're gonna put the 1/4 cup of warm water in the bowl. And your food coloring. Go crazy. Maybe not too crazy. And then your oil. Now, remember what we've learned, makers. Water and oil does not mix. So, it will when we add all of our dry ingredients. We're going to stir it up, even though we know that that oil's just going to float on the top. All right, now let's add in our salt. So remember, that's 1/3 cup of salt. And we're going to add in our 1 cup of flour. All right, now mix, mix, mix. It's gonna get stiff and stiffen up. You may have to get in there and get after it with your hands because, I mean, after all, it is Play-Doh. So, Mom and Dad, this is not an exact science. If it's too wet, you may need to add a little bit more flour. If it's too stiff or not combining enough, you may need to add a little bit more water. Just work with it, work it until, you think you've got something that you can use. So I'm seeing here that this is coming together really pretty good. I may need to add just a little bit more water to it. So I'm gonna push the pause and add just a little bit more water and try to get in there with 2 hands. And then I will show you what it looks like here in just a minute. All right, I added just the smallest little drizzle of water and you can see it's really starting to take shape. It's still a little stiff, so, I may end up adding a little bit more water, but it's Play-Doh. I can dump it out. I'm actually gonna take it out right here. And you can knead it and work it. And then you can make anything you want with out of it. So, makers, I want to see your best creations. Make flowers, make snowmen, have fun, get a little messy. It's okay, because guess what? It's a rain day, so we're inside. This is your challenge. I want to see your creations. So, just like regular Play-Doh, I can roll her into a snake here. There you go. Look at there. Make your creations. I want to see pictures of you getting messy and having fun. And remember, it's not perfect, but it's fun.